Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display custom or different header on post category in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in home page and then you see Elementor header. Now go to post category and then you see category tips trick and then you see same header. So we are going to display custom header on this category. Now go to Elementor header. So this is our default header and then you see update, you see save option, so click on it, and then you see display condition, so click on it, and then you see include entire site. So this header show on whole website. Now go to another header. So we created this another header, so you can create another header according to your requirement. Now you see background color change and then you see update save option, so click on it, and then you see display condition, so click on it, and then you see where do you want to display your template, add condition, include. By default you see entire site. Now select and then you see archive or singular. Now select archive and then you see all archive. Now select and then you see post archive category. Now select. Now you see all. If you want you can display custom header on all category. Now select category name right here and then you see this is our category. Now select and then click on save and close. And now update done. Go to post category and refresh the page. Now you see header is changed. Now go to home page and refresh the page. So this is our default header, but on post category header is different. So this is our another category. Now you see header is different. So this is our default header. Refresh the page. Now you see back to our this category post category. So you can apply different or custom header on post category according to your requirement in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.